Let's write your first program. It's called Hello World. In programming, this is like saying your first word. In Python, print Hello World. Type this in Genie, save it as hello.py, then press the Run button. You'll see Hello World appear. It worked. In HTML, doc type HTML. HTML. Head title hello/title/head. Body. H1 Hello World /H1 /body /HTML. Save it as hello.html, then press the Run button. Your browser will open, and you'll see Hello World. That's programming. You told the computer what to show and it did it. Amazing, right?